waiting for that.
So, we're waiting for our dad. Nandun siya. He's helping in
Delivering the packages around Camelot. What if we can see the celebrity that's coming out?
Royal,
Okay.
why you are here?
To eat.
So, we will wait din. Baka meron din kami ng relief like last year. So, pag meron kaming makuha, we will show you guys nakuha ng mga ano namin mga katandungan the help for the province after the typhoon. Diba this? It's exciting pag nag-unboxing. Kasi we know that it will help a lot yung mga family to have food on their table. Parang minsan simple lang na it's very, very exciting. Parang nga yan siyang din na pag nag-unbox ka ng galing na abroad. Ganun din yung excited, yung mga balikbayan. That's the same feeling talaga. And everything na nandun sa loob, it's exciting.
Exciting to see.
Yeah.
And then he just sent the photos inside.
So we'll send Daddy a picture that we are